What's good, yo? We're back after a long, like 4 months? And we already got the Evo broken again. It's broken again. No, guys, we're kidding. We got some brand new headlights for the Evo. I'll link them down below. They're the Demon Eye ones. We're gonna go ahead and get them hooked up, but there's like a weird thing because these take HIDs, or at least mine does. It takes HID bulbs, so you have to like wire them differently because I got these HID LED conversion type thingamawiggers, and there's like a certain way of hooking that up, and I've looked it up everywhere and I couldn't figure it out. So I just said, you know what, I'll buy the bulbs and figure it out myself. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and show you guys how to hook it up. All right, guys, so we got the Demon Eye VLAN headlights from Amazon. I'll link them down below. And then we got the V3 LED Most Plus. It's like a D2H, D2S to like LED conversion, and it comes with like these connectors. And the car and the headlights don't have these connectors, so I'm gonna show you guys the way I'm gonna do it. Maybe there's another way, but I couldn't find it anywhere online. So we're gonna go ahead and start showing you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these wires a little more. Right, I'm gonna cut these wires, strip them a little more, and then I'm gonna solder them to the back of this connector over here. This one right here. Now, maybe there's another way around this, but I have no idea because obviously that doesn't match this or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it, and then if you guys like it or have any ideas, let me know. Maybe there's a connector somewhere, I don't know, but I'm not gonna sit here and tear the car apart just look for a connector. So we're gonna go ahead and start this. Shout out to Snap-on for sponsoring this video. Alright, you want to just strip the wire. Oh, we need a smaller size. The smaller size? There you go. And you want to just, whoa, just cut that off. There you go. Just cut that plastic off and then twist it. Because we're going to be soldering it anyway, so it's okay. So just twist that wire. Try not to mess something up. Maybe I'm doing it wrong because I haven't been soldering my whole life. I'm just, you know, getting by. So we're going to do the same on the other one. I got some wire showing. Cut off the rest of that plastic and then just twist. And then you're gonna want to go to the connector and not be scared and just chop it away. You're gonna chop it. So cut that, boom, and cut that, boom. And now your connector is broken, and if it doesn't work, then you know, it's too late now. Same thing, you want to strip the wire. Actually, I think I'm gonna take the headlight off to do it on the ground because it'll be better than working around all of this. So I'm gonna bring the headlight over. We're gonna be stripping these wires. They're blue and black. I'm guessing black is your ground. So you can see the wires starting to show. I'm gonna play around with the sizes so you get the wire showing like right there. You want to twist it, make it nice, and then same thing for the other one. Boom, right there. Twist to make it nice and clean. And alright guys, so basically you have red and black. Right? Black is always going to be your ground. Sometimes, not all the time, but in this case, I'm pretty sure it's the ground. So you're going to want to twist. And, oh, we're going to need more wire on this black one. So we're going to go ahead and get some more wire showing on that one. I think that's good enough. Get some wire showing out of that one. And then you're going to want to just wrap them around each other. And then you're gonna want to set that somewhere, and then we tested them out before, but before you do this, you want to test it out to make sure that it works. Now we got this Milwaukee soldering iron. It works good. I'm gonna have to pick one up. Anyway, you want to just make sure this gets hot. Once this gets hot, you're gonna go ahead and just set it here and then just solder away. And I'll show you guys once this heats up how the process goes. It's hot already. You want to set the wire. You want to put the soldering iron right here on the wire to make it hot, and then you're just gonna touch it. Or actually, we can do it this way. You can see it melt. You just want to make it fall into the wire. Should make the wire hot and it should burn through here, but it's not. You gotta make sure you solder it nice. Make sure there's no way of it breaking loose. You don't have to take the headlight off again later. And there you go. You wanna shut this off. The way to test that your soldering was good is once you solder, you want to pull on the both ends, and it should be good. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll go back with you guys once it's done. Alright, so that holds on tight. After you get that soldering done, right, you want to let it cool down for a little bit. That wire is still hot. You want to let it cool down for a little bit. You want to get your electrical tape and just go around it a couple times. I'm no electrician or whatever, so I'm just showing you the way it works for me. And then maybe you can try it. Let me know what you guys did to make it better, to make it worse. You know what I'm saying? And then boom, that's done. The other side. Still hot. And then boom, you're done. You soldered a new connector on there. You know, you want to plug this in the correct way. Push this up here. You get your bulb, which was in here. I'll link these down below too. You know, they're pretty bright. Hook them up. Hook them up. And then to test out that they're working, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on and see if it works.
No.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now?
You don't have it connected.
Oh yeah, right. Well, bloopers, guys. Hot beep. Anyway, I'm gonna have the harness connected, so because then it's not getting any power. Whoa, I started sweating like crazy. Have that click on, and now you test it on after you plugged everything in. Make sure everything's hooked up correctly. And boom, baby, it works. You guys see that?
Yep.
All right, now after that, so now that they're in the car, not completely, yes, I gotta bolt it up and stuff, but that's where she goes. Let's go ahead and turn them on and show you guys the side-by-side comparison really quick. Oh, nice. Oh, these are the daylight running stuff where they're red. You guys see that? That's with daylight's on. That's how they look. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. And that's the side by side. Here's what she's looking like. And so you guys can see that my little invention did work. When you go ahead and turn the lights on, so when you have them on at night, obviously not like the daytime rolling light type thing, you turn that on again. And you go over here, and that's when your bulbs go from demon eye to the regular standard headlight. You see that? I'm really happy with how the light turns out. It took about maybe like 45 minutes to do, a little less. It took longer because I had to solder wire and stuff. But if you're not doing that, if you're getting the right bulbs, then you're gonna get that done way faster. I know it was a shorter video. Thank you guys so much for watching. More things coming. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna get some more parts here soon. So subscribe. Later.